Hello bitches. Guess whose skincare has arrived? My skincare has arrived, and that's the only thing that matters. It's probably in the mailbox, or yeah, let's see what's in store. Let's see if they actually brought me ordinary, not extraordinary.
Jesus is Lord.
Let's go. What the fuck? So it seems like I don't know how to open my own mailbox. Oh, weird. Oh my gosh, guys. It's actually here. Okay. As you can see, I'm holding a beautiful box. Shit. Ow. You guys, I have the antidote to acne. It's actually a lot. Why am I breathing so heavily? This is what happens when you don't exercise. Okay. Just look at that. Look at this over there. This is the glycolic acid. Ordinary glycolic acid also came with this, so I can change the capsule. It is 224 milliliters. That's a lot. Okay, next. This is everything. I got 2 of the hyaluronic acid, one for me, one for my sister. This is how small it is in my hand. This to my head. The ordinary is in a glass bottle, so I have to be very careful, make sure it doesn't fall. It's also 60 milliliters. So the next one in this box is niacinamide. It is also a glass bottle, 60 milliliters. Let's continue, moving on to next. What's in this box? The next one is a Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. It's really slim. I expected it to be like my shampoo bottle, as big as that, because it was $30. But I realized that vitamin C serums are really expensive. Drunk elephant can relate. So next to the niacinamide, it's like this. Okay. And next to the glycolic acid, obviously there's more in the glycolic acid than there is in the vitamin C serum. So oh my gosh, it smells like oranges. It smells like an orange peel. Next one is the benzoyl peroxide wash. I am not the one using this, my sister is the one using this, but you can use this as a facial wash and as a body wash. I would rather use this as a body wash because I feel like on my face to be just too strong on my face. I've showed you everything that I'm using for moisturizing my face and whatnot, but to get the debt off, I'm going to be using the CeraVe moisturizing. I'm going to be using the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. So I've already started using this. Today is what, July 17th. It's been 2 weeks since I started using it. Well, I guess that's all. Cool! For the next 30 days, I'm gonna track my face. I'm gonna use it disconsequently. So I got my glycolic acid, my niacinamide acid, my hyaluronic acid, and my vitamin C serum. And to top it off, since I'm doing my skincare and I'm using acids on my face, I have to protect my face from the sun. So I'm using the Neutrogena sunscreen. That is all for my unboxing of my acne products. I'm gonna use these products for 30 days consecutively, making sure that it works. It better work on my face. If not, we're gonna have complaints, okay? Peace out.